Imagine this. You've met someone amazing, and the chemistry between you is undeniable. But instead of chasing her, what if you could make her desire you so intensely that she's the one who can't wait to be alone with you? This isn't about playing games. It's about understanding the psychology of attraction and using it to create a connection that's so magnetic, she'll be the one leading you to the bedroom. In this video, I'm going to share with you some irresistible tactics to make her chase you to the bedroom. These are techniques that tap into her deepest desires and make her see you as the man she can't resist. So, if you're ready to learn how to turn the tables and have her craving more of you, keep watching. Here's the thing. Attraction isn't just about looks or smooth talk, it's about how you make her feel. If you can ignite a spark that makes her feel desired, excited, and deeply connected to you, she'll be the one chasing you. And trust me, once you master these tactics, you'll never have to worry about making the first move again. 1. Create a magnetic presence. Confidence is key. Let's start with the foundation of all attraction, confidence. A man who is comfortable in his own skin, who knows what he wants, and isn't afraid to go after it, is incredibly attractive. But here's the secret. Confidence isn't about being loud or arrogant. It's about having a calm, assured presence that draws her in. When you walk into a room, hold your head high, make eye contact, and move with purpose. Speak clearly and listen attentively when she talks. This shows her that you're confident without being overbearing, and it sets the stage for deeper attraction. 2. The power of subtle teasing, building playful tension. Next, let's talk about teasing, not the mean-spirited kind, but the playful, light-hearted banter that creates a fun, flirtatious atmosphere. Teasing is a powerful way to build tension and keep her on her toes, and when done right, it can make her crave more of your attention. When you tease her, you're creating a dynamic where she has to work a little to keep up with you, and that makes the interaction more exciting. Just make sure to keep it light and fun. Your goal is to make her laugh and feel good, not to make her feel uncomfortable. 3. Use body language to your advantage. Subtle touches. Body language is one of the most powerful tools you have in your arsenal. It's not just about what you say. It's about how you move, how you touch, and how you use your physical presence to communicate desire. Subtle, intentional touches can send a strong message without you having to say a word. When you're with her, find small, natural ways to touch her. A light touch on the arm, a hand on her back as you guide her through a door, or even a playful nudge during a joke. These subtle touches create a sense of intimacy and make her more aware of your physical presence, which can be incredibly alluring. 4. Master the art of mystery. Leave her wanting more. Mystery is a powerful tool when it comes to attraction. If you reveal everything about yourself too soon, there's no room for intrigue or curiosity. But if you hold back just a little, you'll create a sense of mystery that makes her want to know more about you. Don't be afraid to leave a little to the imagination. Share enough to keep her interested, but keep some things back so that she's left wondering about you. This keeps the dynamic exciting and makes her more eager to spend time with you to uncover the mysteries you present. 5. Engage her mind. Intellectual stimulation. Physical attraction is important, but if you really want to make her chase you, you need to engage her mind as well. Women are often drawn to men who can stimulate them intellectually, who can hold a conversation, challenge their ideas, and make them think. When you talk to her, don't be afraid to delve into deeper topics. Ask her opinions, share your thoughts, and challenge each other in a respectful way. This not only shows that you're more than just a pretty face, but it also creates a deeper connection that can be incredibly attractive. 6. The power of anticipation, building sexual tension. One of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is the ability to build sexual tension. This is the spark that turns a casual interaction into something much more intense, and it's all about creating anticipation. You can build sexual tension by creating moments of closeness and then pulling back just enough to leave her wanting more. It's about giving her a taste of what's possible without giving everything away too soon. This creates a sense of anticipation that can be incredibly powerful. 7. Be unpredictable. Keep her guessing. Predictability can be the death of attraction. If she knows exactly what to expect from you at all times, the excitement fades. But if you're unpredictable, if you keep her guessing, you'll create a dynamic that's thrilling and keeps her coming back for more. Don't be afraid to mix things up. Surprise her with your actions, keep your conversations dynamic, and avoid falling into a routine. This unpredictability will make her excited to see what you'll do next, and that excitement is key to keeping her interested. 8. Make her feel special. Genuine compliments and attention. At the end of the day, every woman wants to feel special, and one of the best ways to make her chase you is by showing her that you see her as unique and valuable. This isn't about flattery, it's about giving genuine compliments and paying attention to the things that make her who she is. When you pay attention to the little things, her interests, her passions, her quirks, you're showing her that you appreciate her for more than just her looks. Compliment her on things that matter, and make sure she knows that you're truly interested in who she is. This makes her feel valued, and that feeling is incredibly attractive. So there you have it, 8 irresistible tactics to make her chase you to the bedroom. Remember, it's not about manipulation or games. It's about understanding what makes attraction work and using that knowledge to create a connection that's so powerful, she can't help but want more of you. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more insights into attraction and relationships. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.